Welcome to WiselyWise online series. We are launching our Howto and Scratch series. Scratch is an online computer-based block programming that allows students to create, design, and share games, interactive stories, arts, and animations. In this series, you will learn about Scratch programming to improve logical thinking and problem-solving skills. You will learn the computing concepts using Scratch, create exciting and fun games, learn how to create artificial intelligence (AI)-based projects using Scratch. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated and learn new concepts from Howto and Scratch series.